What's up, keyboard lovers? Welcome back to Review, your ultimate spot for the coolest, gaming craziest keyboard there. Today, we're diving into some insane keyboard that'll blow your mind and make life way easier. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a keyboard drop, and check out all the buy links in the description to grab your favorites before they're gone. Let's jump right in. Number 1, Samsers Foldable Keyboard and Mouse Combo, portable folding Bluetooth keyboard with wireless mouse, 2.4G USB receiver plus dual Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C rechargeable travel keyboard for iOS, Android, Windows, Mac OS. Foldable and travel-friendly compact trifold keyboard design folds easily to fit in backpacks, laptop bags, or travel cases, perfect for work on the go. Multi-device connectivity supports 2.4G wireless and dual Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to connect up to 3 devices and switch between them instantly. Full-size comfortable typing opens to a full keyboard layout with responsive keys for a smooth and efficient typing experience. Rechargeable keyboard and mouse. Built-in rechargeable batteries with USB-C charging provide long-lasting power for daily work and travel. Wide compatibility works with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, compatible with laptops, tablets, and smartphones. The Samsers Foldable Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a convenient and portable solution for working anywhere. Its compact trifold design makes it easy to carry while still providing a comfortable full-size typing experience when unfolded. With 2.4G wireless and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, you can connect multiple devices and switch between them quickly. The included wireless mouse offers smooth and precise control, while the USB-C rechargeable batteries ensure reliable performance throughout the day. Compatible with iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac OS, this keyboard and mouse combo is perfect for travel, remote work, business trips, and everyday productivity. Number 2, EPOMAKER G84He Wireless Hall Effect Gaming Keyboard, 8K polling rate, 8000 mAh battery, SOCD and DKS support, fast trigger adjustable actuation, RGB backlit, PBT keycaps, hot swappable mechanical keyboard for Win/Mac. Hall Effect Magnetic Switch Technology. Advanced Hall Effect switches provide smooth keystrokes with adjustable actuation and fast trigger response, delivering precise control for gaming and typing. Ultra-fast 8K polling rate with up to 8000 Hz polling rate. The keyboard ensures extremely low latency and faster response times for competitive gaming performance. SOCD and DKS Advanced Gaming Support. Built-in SOCD and DKS features offer improved movement control and customizable key actions for professional gaming setups. Large 8000 mAh battery. The powerful 8000 mAh rechargeable battery provides long-lasting wireless performance, perfect for extended gaming sessions without frequent charging. RGB backlight and durable PBT keycaps. Dynamic RGB lighting enhances your gaming setup, while premium PBT keycaps offer durability, oil resistance, and a comfortable typing feel. The EPOMAKER G84He Wireless Hall Effect Gaming Keyboard is built for gamers who demand speed, precision, and customization. Featuring advanced Hall Effect magnetic switches, it allows adjustable actuation points and fast trigger technology for highly responsive performance. Its 8000 Hz polling rate ensures ultra-fast input detection, while SOCD and DKS support provide advanced control options for competitive gameplay. The keyboard also includes durable PBT keycaps, customizable RGB lighting, and a powerful 8000 mAh battery for long-lasting wireless use. Compatible with Windows and Mac, the EPOMAKER G84He combines cutting-edge technology, durability, and stylish design, making it an excellent choice for gaming enthusiasts and professional setups. Number 3, ProtoArc Foldable Keyboard and Mouse Combo XKM01, true full-size folding wireless keyboard with mouse, portable travel office keyboard for laptop, iPad, tablet, Windows, iOS and Android, black/gray, true full-size foldable keyboard. The ProtoArc XKM01 features a true full-size layout with numeric keypad, giving you a comfortable desktop-like typing experience while still folding into a compact size for travel. Portable office for travel designed for business travelers and remote workers. This folding keyboard and mouse combo easily fits in your bag, turning any space into a productive mobile workstation. Stable wireless connection. Enjoy a reliable wireless connection with quick pairing, allowing smooth typing and responsive mouse control for everyday work tasks. Comfortable wireless mouse. The included ergonomic wireless mouse provides precise cursor control and comfortable handling for long working sessions. Wide device compatibility. Compatible with laptops, iPads, tablets, and smartphones running Windows, iOS, or Android, making it ideal for office work, travel, and remote productivity. The ProtoArc XKM01 foldable keyboard and mouse combo is designed for professionals who need productivity on the go. Featuring a true full-size folding keyboard with a numeric keypad, it offers the comfort and efficiency of a standard desktop keyboard while remaining compact and travel-friendly. Its lightweight folding design makes it easy to carry in a backpack or laptop bag, making it perfect for business travel, remote work, and mobile offices. The included wireless mouse ensures smooth navigation and precise control for everyday tasks. Compatible with laptops, tablets, and smartphones, the ProtoArc XKM01 transforms your device into a convenient portable workstation ideal for working anytime, anywhere. Number 4. Logitech 250 Malawian Kwacha's Bluetooth Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Compact keyboard with ambidextrous mouse, easy Bluetooth connectivity, durable design for Windows and macOS. Graphite fast and easy Bluetooth connectivity. Connect quickly with reliable Bluetooth technology for a stable wireless experience without the need for extra receivers or cables. Compact and comfortable keyboard. The slim, space-saving keyboard design offers comfortable typing while fitting easily into small desks or home office setups. Ambidextrous wireless mouse designed for both left and right-handed users. The included wireless mouse provides smooth tracking and comfortable everyday use. Durable and reliable build built with Logitech's trusted durability. This keyboard and mouse combo is number 5. SABLUTE Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. Retro typewriter style keyboard with round keycaps. Full-size 2.4 GHz wireless keyboard and mouse. Detachable wrist rest, sleep mode, for Mac, Windows/PC. Hot pink. Retro typewriter design. Stylish keyboard with round vintage-style keycaps that delivers a classic typewriter feel while adding a unique and colorful touch to your workspace. Full-size comfortable layout includes a full-size keyboard with number pad and a detachable wrist rest for improved typing comfort during long work or study sessions. Stable 2.4 GHz wireless connection. Reliable plug-and-play. 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity provides a stable connection and clutter-free setup for your computer or laptop. Adjustable tilt legs. In sleep mode. Built-in tilt legs help create a comfortable typing angle, while the automatic sleep mode helps save battery power. Wide compatibility. Compatible with Mac, Windows, and PC devices, making it perfect for home offices, workspaces, and everyday computer use. The SABLUTE Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo combines retro style with modern wireless convenience. Featuring round typewriter-style keycaps, this full-size keyboard provides a unique typing experience while enhancing the look of your desk setup. Designed for comfort and productivity, it includes a detachable wrist rest and adjustable tilt legs to support natural hand positioning during long typing sessions. The 2.4 GHz wireless connection ensures reliable performance with easy plug-and-play setup. With its eye-catching hot pink design, durable construction, and compatibility with Mac, Windows, and PC, the SABLUTE keyboard and mouse combo is perfect for home offices, students, and anyone looking